Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dimma tutorials. Today we are going to continue reviewing past questions, UNILAG POST-UTME general paper past questions 2021/2022 POST-UTME general paper past questions. In the last video I stopped at question 10. Today I'm going to start from question 11. Without wasting time, let's go. Question 11. A computer is made of A. Hardware. B. Software. C. None of the above. D. A and B, and E. A only. The correct answer to this question is option D. A and B. A and B. Okay. Both A. Hardware and B. Software. They are very important. Okay. A computer is made up of both physical components, hardware, and the programs, software that run on it. Now, that dual nature is what allows the computer to function as a whole system, okay, because both of them, hardware and software, are very important. They are very important. So option, this is the correct answer. The next question, which of these continents is the coldest in the world? The correct answer is option C, Antarctica, okay, Asia, B, Africa, C, Antarctica, D, Europe, and E, America. Like I said, the correct answer is option C, Antarctica. Antarctica is the coldest continent on Earth. It is covered by ice and the temperature there can drop well below freezing. So Antarctica is the coldest continent on Earth. The next question, what is the name of the world's highest mountain? We have option A, Mount Kilimanjaro, B, Mount Everest, C, Mount Cameroon, D, Mount Nkoyo, E, none of the above. The correct answer to this question is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Like I explained in the previous video, Mount Everest is located in Himalayas in China. So that's where Mount Everest is. The tallest mountain, the highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest. The next question, what name is the Parliament of Nigeria called? We have House of Representatives, B, Senate, C, State House of Assembly, and D, National Assembly, E, all of the above. The correct answer is the National Assembly. The National Assembly is the legislative arm of Nigeria and it comprises two chambers, the Senate and the House of Representatives. The other options represent different legislative bodies at other levels. For example, the Senate and House of Representatives are part of the National Assembly, while state houses of assembly are at the state level. The next question, 15. A lowland between two hills is called A, island, B, valley, C, plateau, E, lake, and E, mountain. A lowland between two hills is called A, valley. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, an island is a piece of land surrounded by water. A plateau is a flat, elevated area that rises sharply from the surrounding land. A lake is a large body of water surrounded by land. A mountain is a large landform that rises significantly above its surroundings. So the valley is the only one that fits the definition of a lowland between two hills. And let's go to the next question. Which of these animals is not a member of dog family? Which of these animals is not a member of dog family? We have jackal, B, German Shepherd, C, tigers, D, tiger, D, Yorkshire Terrier, and E, Rottweiler. The correct answer is option C, tiger. Tiger is not a member of the dog family. Let's move to the next question. The next question, question 17. The process in which the food we eat is broken down into substance that can be used by the body is called A, digestion, B, circulation, C, tissue, and D, respiration, E, excretion. The correct answer to this question is option A, digestion. The process of breaking down food into substances the body can use is called digestion. Okay, so The correct answer is option A. Option A. Now let's look at the other options. Let's talk about circulation. Circulation refers to the movement of blood around the body, okay, transporting oxygen and nutrients. Tissue is a group of cells working together for a specific function. Respiration is the process of cells using oxygen to produce energy, okay, often called breathing in a larger sense. And excretion is a process of removing waste products from the body, like through urine or sweat. So each of these plays a key role in keeping us healthy. But the correct answer to this question is option A. Option A, digestion. That's the process in which food we eat is broken down into substances that can be used by the body. Alright, the next question, 18. A frightening dream is called A. Blush, B. Nightmare, C. Night anguish, D. Night fear, and E. None of the above. Of course, you know the correct answer, right? The correct answer is option B. Option B, nightmare. The next question, 19. Which of these is not a type of eagle? We have short-tailed, B. Booted, C. Bonely, D. All of the above. Now, the correct answer to this question is option C, bonely. Bonely is not a type of eagle. Is not a type of eagle. Short-tailed and booted are recognized types of eagles. Bonely, okay, bonely is not a type of eagle, okay? All right, the next question, 20. What was the former name of present Zimbabwe? A. Rhodesia, B. Yamashomo, C. Orange Republic, D. Brazzaville, E. Oceania. Okay, the correct answer is Rhodesia. Rhodesia. Okay, that's the name that Zimbabwe was called before independence in 1980. In 1980. Alright guys, that'll be all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you good luck in your admission journey. You'll gain admission, you'll pass your exam, and I pray that God crowns your efforts with success. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like this video, do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to share the video. I'll be uploading another video for you tomorrow. Make sure you stay locked on this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.